Perfect prop.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hello?
911.
What?
Hello, 911. Like,
What happened here?
You could have just desperately stopped it on this thing.
Alardy goes to 6. Hello, welcome to Bettertotes and Gardens. Say I'm funny.
are you saying that to me?
Hey?
Or-
No, to the camera.
Because I would have. Yes, you're very funny.
Look at that. Hello, Bettertotes and Gardens. They could do the music thing here. Hi, we're here with. What are we doing?
I'm just. Bruh, I don't know.
We're doing experiments in the bar. We've got a
Science experiments.
Science experiments. We're doing
With
a lot of
bicarb
stuff.
soda and vinegar. Making a volcano.
Don't mention volcanoes.
Why are you not allowed?
Just don't. We're here. We're going to do some glitter. Some working out something downstairs. Some beer garden, Bartertown beer garden.
Look at the camera, please.
I'm looking at my fingers because
Yeah,
I can't count.
you
it.
can't
I
do both?
point them out. Yeah, I've got to think. And we're going to do some experimentation with some light again upstairs where the possum lives. But anyway, there we go. That's it. You want to? We're here with Pep and Ruby. We're all about to have our say on whether we do the. Well, they're going to be able to see that.
Yeah.
But we've got a plan.
Because it is very dark in here and you can't see anything at night.
So what's the plan so far, Pep?
It's to highlight the delicious drinks.
That's right. That you should buy and consume. Yeah. But we're gonna do a work light, and we're just figuring out whether we put the
We go for done.
go up or down. But we're thinking up.
Do you know what will be interesting? To see if once this lighting is up, if we do sell more of these.
Oh hell yeah!
Because,
You know what the
I don't think
secret?
anyone ever asks for that.
no.
Do you know what the secret is? It's actually whether we sell more alcohol up here. Don't worry about them. 'Cause people just walk straight past.
The bar.
Yeah, it's about making it. It's like a moth to a flame. Okay.
I know what I'm doing.
But yeah, that's what it'll do because it's like that thing. It's like point us up. So like remember when we did it last chance and then all of a sudden just went boom.
It's like having chairs in front of the bar. If it's got that mental barrier to have to move something to get a drink, you're not going to get it.
But this is an absolute nightmare. But yeah, anyway, we're going to do that. Then we're going to go downstairs. We're going to make.
Are we going to deal with that?
Go in and put some glitter up. Not me.
Not me, because I'm wearing pants that don't have bleach on them today.
Not you, Pip. Not you, Ruby.
I don't think so.
I wonder who will have to go into the fucking toilet and put glitter up on the ceiling. I wonder. Wonder if it's the world's best painter. Da Vinci himself. Matisse.
God's son, Jesus.
Yeah. Son of Steve.
Son of Steve. That's the nest.
Yeah, that's the nest that the possums built.
Where?
That's in a nest.
On the second shelf.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's his nest.
Are you f***ing
It's not plastic leaves.
No,
No.
they're real leaves that he's brought from the outside world. Yeah.
Solid.
I saw him on Friday night with his like tail around the Pimm's bottle, like building a nest.
Oh, he can't.
He's gotten too comfortable.
He's got to go.
Yeah.
I think it's a nice cozy light, though.
Yeah. you don't
It's
want it
making me
too
want an
bright.
amaretto.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Because looking at the white light right now, it's like
Yeah, it's
kind
just
of
really.
yeah,
It's-
it's like
yeah.
blinding.
Are we doing a light on every shelf?
Well, that's kind of. We thought we'd just get one.
Yeah.
See how it looks, and then go. Oh, I'm not happy with that.
I think on the bottom shelf, I think I like it in the thing.
Because when the bands are going and we don't have like these like overhead lights, I can't see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I think we can't do it.
Yeah, because that's too bright.
I think it looks like.
Yeah, because if you.
It's giving nightclub like.
Yeah.
You kind of go like,
Yeah. Even though the models look a lot better.
But I can't see the bottle. I see the bottles better with the in the thing.
So switch these lights off, shouldn't
Like when the bands are on.
Like just like to turn them down.
No, off.
And they're like, go off, do they?
They go if you press the off button.
No, we don't turn those lights off.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Nah, it should go in the conduit.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think in the conduit it
a
warm.
warm yellow light instead of.
Because that's supposed to be warm light as it is, but it's a bit too warm.
Yeah, it's very warm.
A bit too light.
Right. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, put it in the conduit and it bloody. Yes.
I don't understand. How many numbers has it got on it? Shane, I asked you a question.
Hey, Pip.
There we go. Like, okay.
Because that used to be just between the bars.
Yeah, we could redo this, couldn't we? Huh?
No, yeah, we could, but that's why people have mobile phones now and a group chat.
Yeah, use
Because then everyone can get the message if
this
there's.
is an idiot.
Who's answering downstairs? But if you've got a full bar though.
Yeah.
Well, who's answering their phone when they've got a full bar?
Bussy?
Whatever.
Oh, I'm right. Why is that? Can we get rid of that?
No,
Is it-
it's funny. I like it.
What is it?
Our house wine is Jaeger.
Oh.
No, I want to keep it.
This is Eamon. This is Eamon would be really. I might just give it to Eamon.
Give that to him. That's a nice present.
That's his. That's his lifeblood, isn't it?
Loves the Jaeger bomb.
That's the Jaeger.
That was not there last week.
Oh, I think we just answered the question.
Morning, Jacob.
I'm in the car still.
Good morning.
You're so polite.
You forgot.
What was the question?
Oh, I'm just saying, how you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very thumbs out.
Oh.
Oh, right.
Possum Fact 101. That's legit. Yeah, well, when you fell on me here.
He's got to go.
He's gotta go.
He's got to go outside. He can't.
No, he left through the front door the other day, but then he just came back. He
walked out the front door?
Yeah, he actually walked. When he was in the front bar, like on that fan, he just like walked out the front door, and then we were like, okay, he's gone. And then next day, he's back up there with his nest.
The confidence.
I know.
It really is his house.
Because no one's challenged him.
Better give him a set of keys.
Like, don't people do drugs in toilets though? They wouldn't
No.
think there's either.
Only if they've got a headache and they need a Panadol or an aspirin.
Yeah, that's true.
So what we'll do today is we'll go over the
All the toys.
all the toys.
That's upsetting.
Don't put this in the camera because I'm not using my fucking shit.
Do
You got it locked, do you?
Oh, do I not lock it?
So look at that.
Oh, the hinge works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to lock it?
Yeah, you need to put the lock on the top. I just want to see you do it.
You want to see me do
I
what?
figured you might want to do it.
Oh, is that what you were doing, was it?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, upstairs.
What do you want to do upstairs?
Fix the f***ing bar.
I don't ask for much, do you?
Oh, it's the jobs you're giving me.
Hey?
The jobs you're giving me. I've already got really got up there. Let's go. Come on, chop chop.
Right. Tell people what you're doing. Yeah, tidy it up.
We're gonna tidy this up. So, pin this to the wall.
Yeah.
Replace this taped up hose with a fresh one.
Yep.
we got over here.
Yep.
And cut out to cover this little possum hole in here.
Yep.
Just got to use a rubber mat to cover it out.
And put maybe a little bit of wood.
Put wood over it, yeah.
You got the old seat, mate. You got that long bit? Sorry, buddy. I'm going to hooking that across.
Hopefully it goes straight in.
Hopefully it'll go straight in.
Don't drop.
Dropped him?
Yep,
You're
twice.
going to start getting a fucking beep like me, mate.
Huh?
You're going to start getting a personalised beep.
Don't I already have one?
No, not yet.
Why not?
Because you took what we had.
That's out of the way now.
Is it?
Well, it's better than it hanging here.
That's true. Now here's the big bit. How are you going to do
What I
this
was
bit?
thinking was to zip tie that bit there and replace, if you've got the camera in here and you're showing that this dodgy hose goes down and under. So everything
Goes in a
just,
circle.
everything just fills up. So if
Well, maybe what you could do is if you take this,
I was going to go straight to the downpipe.
you take this. Now, what you could do is you could just get a new bit of tube,
It goes all the way down.
and you could. No, actually, this.
I was going to zip tie it to that and then
Yeah, well, you could just get a new bit of tube,
it goes all
full piece,
it goes all the
and
way.
go the whole way,
Yeah, I could do that.
and then go in behind.
Yeah.
And then it's fucking out of the way, and it's got a better run. But it's up to you. I mean, if you want to replace this bit, you
I
can
might as well
replace this
replace
bit.
the whole thing out.
Because then, just in case we need to add another one to it, it could drain out. But I doubt that it's going to need.
Well, that one used to be hooked up to here.
Yeah.
As an overflow.
Yeah.
And when I'd close this bar, I'd pour some f***ing bleach and water down here, and all the channel was squirting back out at me.
Yeah. So it's up to you what you want to do.
I may as well replace the whole thing.
Sorry. I fell asleep there.
Bit tired there, mate.
I'm a bit tired.
Tell the camera what time you've been here since.
Well, I don't know. 3:30. I kind of walked in, started setting everything up.
3:30 in the morning.
Yeah. Got up at 1:45 to come in though. And went to bed at 10. So yeah, not been a good week for Shane. Now, if you watch Better Totes and Gardens, you know what you're going to do next, don't you? You just split it, don't you? Mate.
What, like, comment, subscribe?
No, don't get the heat gun.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the end of that hose is where all the shit's come off it.
Oh,
You see how it's just died?
it stinks too.
We should put that out the back for Joe, though.
Yeah, oh, yeah. There you go, Joe. Cut this one next time.
Right, measure this, mate.
Go a bit long, a bit more.
9.
Go 9. Go 9. Nice round number.
Right, measure that, see how close it is.
Not a bad effort, mate.
Hey?
Not a bad effort.
Just so people know, I was 1 centimetre off. Oh, I should put the camera on you. You're not a good camera person.
No, you're not. Neither is Gaz, to be honest. He missed a lot of stuff in the kitchen episodes.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah.
Is it in?
Oh, that creates too much. Not enough space on it.
Yeah, good thing about doing it again.
What?
You don't have to use the screwdriver as much.
Yep. Fucking smells like sugar down here.
Yeah. It's not clean down there, mate. We do have to clean down there, and we have to waterproof it.
Yep, and we need to put some flooring on it.
Yep. The waterproof, then floor.
Next week?
Might be in the fucking couple of weeks basket.
Alright. There we go.
You happy as Ari?
Yeah, mate.
Right, you put that on there, let's test it. You want Coke, Diet Coke?
Put in Coke so we can see the colour flow.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh, look at that, let me get the other angle. Look at that, it's flowing straight down.
Is that?
Yep. There is it, where it is the T intersection does wig it out a little bit.
What about now? Oh, that's sign up. There you go, we'll dump the Coke, mate.
Oh, look at that, just run off.
If I really want to know what we're doing,
Yep.
we're making a hole because the plumbers need to get a big machine in there. And that's it. And then we're going to replace it all. This is just coming off so we can take it off again when the plumbers need to come in and bring the, because the door's too small in there to get the core in. So they're going to bring the core up through that hole there. Finally something went right. Something was broken. This was broken. What year was it, Joe?
It's 1989.
Oh.
Born a few weeks before that was born.
Fitzroy at night, cop's eye view. Oh. Police attended domestic, probably the most unpredictable and dangerous. No shit. So that was happening, still happening. Noise complaint at Osborne House in Nicholson Street, Hoddle Street. Oh, near the mass murder spot. What the? The twilight shift. Fitzroy is getting quieter, but there's still plenty of work for police. Oh, say nothing. Free dental service. Here's the real Liz Disneyland. Miss Disney.
Those homes look nice.
Yeah, we can't afford them then, and we can't afford them now. Well, children's future's at stake. Their teachers are resigning. Why? Well,
Interesting.
very interesting.
Great work.
I will just like to point out, yeah,
Yeah.
the thing I put here is still there.
What did you put there? Oh, the door opened. You did such a great job, Shane.
Thanks, pal.
Really good job. Okay.